welcome to the craft shack. Can I get you something? A lanyard?
Yeah, I like a lanyard.
Oh, okay, yeah, great. What colors would you like?
Let's see. I don't think I really want a lanyard.
Oh, that's fine. Can I get you some paper or clay pots?
Oh, no, the color. I don't think I really want
why
a
didn't
lanyard.
you say so? Yeah, what other color would you like?
I'll have Sarah cream and green onions.
Great. Let me go ahead and cut that for you. Do you know how to start a lanyard?
No, I don't. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, of course. To do your lanyard, you'll first need to start the lanyard. To start the lanyard, you'll need to put both strings through the ring and pull them through so that the ring is at the center of the lanyard strings. Then you'll make an X using the strings. Starting with the top string, you'll take each end and fold them over to the other side. Then you'll take the bottom string and weave it over and then under the top strings, one at a time. You'll want to make sure that the lanyard string goes under on the side that has a closed loop. Otherwise, your lanyard will fall apart. When you're done, you'll pull it tight. Next, you'll do all the stitches in the lanyard. To make a stitch in the lanyard, you can start with either string, folding the strings of the same color over, making sure they stay on the same side. Then you'll take the other strings and weave them over and then under, keeping them on the same side. Then you'll pull tight. You keep making stitches until you're done and you're happy with how long your lanyard string is. If you don't have lanyard string at home, you can try making it from a different material like yarn.